My dentist, Dr. Ketchy, told me that he's a great orthodontist, and then most of my friends, they went here. When we came here to talk to Dr. Simmons, he was explaining that the Damon system would be better than Invisalign for what I needed to get done. Before I got my braces, I didn't really like my smile that much because I had gaps between my front teeth, but now that I've had braces and they're shifted, I feel like when I get them off, I'm gonna feel so much more confident about my smile, and I'm just gonna feel more confident in myself. I'm just not gonna worry about smiling or people judging the way my teeth look. I did need after hours care once, and it was on a weekend, but Mom called Dr. Simmons and he was more than happy to help. It was not hard to reach him. He was very available, and people that don't go to Dr. Simmons, they usually say their orthodontists are very dry and not kid-friendly, and they don't laugh and they never seem to smile. And Dr. Simmons is complete opposite. I have to say that my experience compared to most of my friends is a lot better. I would just like to say that Dr. Simmons' office is a great orthodontics, and I would recommend him to anyone because of how great he is and how great his staff is and how great his work is.
Since I've seen my brother, his teeth get so straight, then I'm glad he's my orthodontist because I want my teeth to be like his. I was kind of embarrassed to smile because my teeth were like all over the place, and it was embarrassing because I don't know what other people think about me when they see my teeth, but now it's like I really don't care because I know they're straight now. This is a pretty cool place. Like, it's pretty serious about getting my teeth straight, and I'm glad to be here.
My friends told me about Dr. Simmons, and they told me I saw the results of their braces, and I was impressed, so I decided to also get a Dr. Simmons.
Our dentist that we go to also recommended Dr. Simmons' office to us. I was the first in the family to come to Dr. Simmons, and then my children came to him also.
The staff, they always greet you with a cheerful attitude, and they're always very positive about what they do.
They seem like they're passionate about their job too. They love what they do, and that shows because of the way they treat you, and that makes you want to be here and not dread coming.
The staff was always very informative to me about my children, where they were at in their treatment, what we're doing next, what we can expect, and I got that same treatment when I had braces here. In fact, some of the same staff is still here that were here whenever I got my braces, so that was very comforting.
They go above and beyond just talking about your braces or talking about your treatment. They want to know who you are and how you're doing and what you're like, so it just makes you feel really at ease and at home.
And I have to agree with that. You know, many times I'm sitting here in the waiting room waiting on my children as they are getting their treatment, and it's almost like I'm sitting here with my best friends because they're standing back there talking to me, and I have a young one that's always with me, and they're always talking to her, asking me how my day is, and you know, like Madison said, it's more than just the orthodontics. It's like they care about you and what's going on with you also.
I guess the best thing was having the assurance that I was going to have a beautiful smile. It was going to be the best he could make it.
His approach, what he tells you, gives you confidence and makes you feel like he and his staff's going to do the very best job, and you're going to get the very best results from your orthodontics.
I would recommend him to a friend or to anybody just in the need of braces, because he's a professional and he's very good at what he does. He's the best that I know around.
He is a perfectionist. You will come out with the best smile you could imagine for yourself.
And yes, I definitely would recommend Dr. Simmons, and in fact have recommended Dr. Simmons to several of my friends, and they have used Dr. Simmons and are very pleased with him also.
If you're getting braces, this is the place you want to come, because first of all, it's a great place to be. You will feel welcomed by everyone, and you'll get the best care you can get, and you'll be very pleased with your results.
And I have one more child. She's 6 years old, and I would definitely bring her to Dr. Simmons. I would not consider anyone else.